everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is another Dollar Tree haul, but before we get into the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button because once you hit subscribe, we instantly become best friends.
Did we just become best friends? Yup!
And please hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a video. I got a ton of Halloween stuff. Aria and I are going to be decorating the Playhouse for Halloween, so I picked up a bunch of really cool stuff. Halloween is really big in our house, and Dollar Tree is definitely the best place to buy stuff. It's the most affordable, and they've really stepped up their Halloween decor. So the first item that I wanted to share is this little Happy Halloween sign. I love that it already comes in pieces, so if you do want to put this on a wreath, all you have to do is cut the back or take the little prongs out, staples, whatever you want, and put this on a beautiful wreath. Another thing that Dollar Tree has that is amazing is the floral. The next item is this spooky little witch. I think this is so cool. This one doesn't have light up eyes. They usually have some that have light up eyes, but it does go pretty long. And if you did want to make this a little bit longer, you can always add some creepy cloth. They also have ghosts as well, which I'm pretty sure I got because Ari picked out a bunch of stuff. So did I. We kind of just went a little crazy. The next item that I got was creepy cloth. Not only does this look really good for decor, but you can actually make some really cool costumes. If you haven't already, I made a video a few years ago where I turned myself into a shower and Medusa. So I will link that below, but to make my dress when I was Medusa, was it Medusa? Yes. To make my dress, I used the white creepy cloth and it looked pretty dang good. So this, it's actually a pretty big size. It is 30 by 72 inches and you can always stretch it and rip it, which is really nice. I found these really cool jars. Now they do look like the Michaels ones and you're supposed to put a candle on here and let it drip down. If you have a Halloween theme home, this is like a nice subtle Halloween decor piece that you can keep around all year long, or if you're not into Halloween, you can always just take off this cute little skull and use it for regular decor and just burn your candles down in here. But I think this is so adorable and looks really good. You can add decals to this or whatever you want. It is perfect. Now this they have every year and I think it is absolutely adorable. It's this little spider fence. I believe they have every time I go to film a haul, that's when the guy with the loud car passes by. I believe they have a skull one. I'm not 100% sure because I just really like the spider ones. So I got 2 of these for the Playhouse when we decorate it for Halloween. And they're actually pretty good quality, but they're also soft enough to where if you want to cut this down and use it for something else, you totally can. Another Halloween item that we got for the Playhouse is this keep out sign. Isn't this adorable? But if you're not into Halloween, you can always sand off this glitter, repaint it, and put your own little sign on here, or flip it around since it's plain in the back. It isn't that weird material that you can't spray paint. You can definitely spray paint on top of this one. So if you have a die cutting machine or if you just have stencils at home, this would be really cool. Now this is not a Halloween item, but this is freaking amazing. I always mention how the Dollar Tree bags for doggies are a good and a bad thing. They're super affordable, but they always end up like ripping in the wrong spot and breaking. They've brought out these new bags. They only bring 60. I think the other ones are 60 as well, but these are a little bit more compact. But the perforation lines are so deep that it actually rips perfectly without breaking. So these have been amazing. I did try using the little diaper bag ones for that, but they're super duper thin. So if I just had my small dog, it would be perfect if I just had Gigi. But picking up nugget poop with those thin little bags, I don't know. So if you do have a pup or you do just want to use it for diapers, these waist bags are amazing. I passed these up last year because I was like, I'm not gonna use them. So many people craft with these. I don't want to do the same thing everyone's doing. But let's be 100% real, they're so cute. And they are these little spell books. They're actually boxes, so you can use these for gifts or you can use these for decor. And they come in different sizes, so they have the big one, this one, I put them all inside each other, and then the teeny tiny one. So to kind of just stack them on your mantle and put that spooky little candle. You got yourself some pretty amazing Halloween decor on a budget. Not Halloween at all, but whenever they have these things, I purchase them for my hair. They are the ponytail things that literally just look like cut up socks. When I cannot find scrunchies, I always grab a mismatched sock that is clean and I cut it into pieces. That's actually what's holding up my hair right now, not this thing. This is actually a thing that I use to put my makeup on and I just didn't take it off. But yeah, if you want to do a big bun and not have that line of demarcation when you take your hair down, socks are the way to go. But if you want a tighter bun, these are amazing and they don't leave a mark unless your hair is wet, then it's gonna leave a mark. So yes, scuncy or someone will let me know in the comments. They bring 4. I found these artist brushes at Dollar Tree. I've seen this brand a lot lately. It's called Crafter Square. Their big popsicle sticks are now this brand. And these are actually, I wouldn't say wonderful, but I do like that they come in different shapes and sizes. So for projects like applying Mod Podge, where I know I'm going to get rid of the brush if I forget to leave it out, or something with adhesive. He's still passing by with his loud car. These things come in really, really handy. To touch up, I know you're not supposed to do this, but if you're touching up spray paint in an area that you really can't get to, or you're going to spray paint a bunch of other stuff, I usually just take the cap, spray a little in the cap, and then grab a brush and touch up that way. And it works beautifully. Usually you do have to throw away those brushes immediately because they get all hard and gunky. So I always keep brushes like this around for things like that. Speaking of which, I always pick up the Dollar Tree sanding sponge. This thing not only is wonderful for crafts, but just everyday stuff. I use them in my crafts when I'm trying to remove glitter, when I'm trying to remove signs, when I'm working with wood. Even when I was doing the Playhouse, whenever I did go like overspray, I just took this thing once the paint had dried and buffed it out. I even sanded the whole Playhouse using this. I also got Dollar Tree painter's tape. This is amazing because not only is it super cheap, but it works beautifully if you are using this on plastic. The name brand stuff is just a little bit stickier. So if you're using it on plastic, it will bring up your paint. Trust me, I did sand and the paint that I was using was a paint and primer and it still brought up the paint. But yeah, the less sticky it is, the less chances you have of that happening. By the way, I am making over another Playhouse and I did take a bunch of suggestions from everybody in the comments section, so I will be using Krylon Fusion and all that jazz. I'm super duper excited to share with you guys. I just can't wait. I can't wait. In the baby section, I found these cabinet lock things. This is so amazing. They have so many baby products now that you can put together a gift basket for if you're going to a baby shower. They also had the little corners. I want to say that I got it, but I'm pretty sure I didn't, which is like those little silicone things that you put on hard corners so that your baby doesn't like hit themselves or cut themselves. But this right here, this is amazing and really handy. And sometimes they're sold really expensive if you buy them. I was about to say Toys R Us. But if you buy them at like a baby, Buy Buy Baby or something like that, these are usually kind of pricey. I don't know about anymore, but they used to be. So if you can get them for $1, why not? My store finally put out the foam pumpkins. I was so excited when I saw them because I had to order my last set online, which was amazing because I just ordered 4 and had it delivered to the store. I really didn't get charged much and I was able to use the My Cash, why can't I think of the name? Top Cash Back, there we go. I was able to use Top Cash Back and 10% back, which wasn't much because I only ordered 4 items. But I was really excited. I love them. As you can see, I make over pumpkins every year. This is this year's round, but last year I made another floral one and all that jazz. So I'll link those two below as well. Really excited to make some more stuff with these pumpkins. If I don't make anything else, at least I'm ready for next year and I don't have to like go on a scavenger hunt. Look at this really pretty, right. Yeah, look at this pretty sign. When I first saw it, I thought it was a canvas. It is not. It is actually a print, but if you take the gloss off, you can fool anyone and it will look like a canvas painting. I just think it's really pretty if you are into farmhouse decor. If you're not, then obviously this isn't for you. They do have a ton of glam stuff out now as well. But as you know, whenever it is fall, the whole big thing is traditional fall decor. So it tends to look like farmhouse. So if you are a glam lover, Christmas is the time for you because they do put out a lot more glam stuff, a lot more glittery stuff, whereas fall, it's all farm, pumpkins, you pick, all that. So yes. How cute is this? This has nothing to do with fall, but what I'm trying to say is if you are a glam lover, the next month is your time. These cutouts are so adorable. I love that they have a Dia de los Muertos section this year. And I don't mean section because they're not calling it Dia de los Muertos. It's not even labeled that way. But we know what's up. They have the little candles, they have the cutouts, they have little random like Halloween decor, which I didn't purchase because there's not much else I can do. But what I did purchase was this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous candle holder. How beautiful is this? This looks exactly like some of the stuff that they have at Michael's, and it is only $1. Yes, it is a lot smaller. But the benefit to that is that if you have a small place, you don't have this huge overbearing thing. This is adorable. That's it for me. I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you'll be on the lookouts for. Let me know what you'd like me to make next. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you on the next one.